Hey guys, it's Nick here, and today we're going to go over how to add an $18,000 installment loan onto your credit report. Okay, as you can see, the site we're on is called Credit Strong, and they're very similar to Self Lender, but on steroids. All right, so how it works is one, you choose a plan that works for you. You build credit by saving each month, and you can cancel at any time, no fee. Um, Second, you make your monthly payments, and you can track your progress because they give you a free monthly FICO score. All right, so you can track your progress on how well this installment loan is boosting your credit and helping your payment history. Okay, and lastly, you can unlock your savings when the loan is repaid, or you can cancel at any time, and you will get the money that's in your savings account out. All right, so learn how you can build credit without using a credit card. This is a high limit installment loan, like I said. So you open an account in minutes. All right, it's FDIC insured on the savings account, so your money is good. You make on time payments, small monthly payments, principal and interest. All right, the principal is what you're putting into the savings account, and the interest is what the company Credit Strong earns for reporting to your credit report. All right, you can track your progress. Like I said, with the free FICO score, and 90% of top lenders use FICO scores when making lending decisions. All right, and lastly, you can unlock your savings when the loan is repaid in full. The lock is removed from your savings account, and you built both credit and savings at the same time. Win-win. All right, we're gonna go over the plans and pricing in a second. But the benefits of your Credit Strong account: no hard credit pull inquiry. All right, no upfront security deposit required, and installment loan reports to all three major credit bureaus. So these two things are major: no inquiry, no hard inquiry, and they report to all three bureaus. Like that's amazing. All right, because when you go in for your funding, you want to make sure you have less than three inquiries, and so having an inquiry and a brand new account is not beneficial as a no inquiry and new account. All right, so um, this is getting a high return for not even having an inquiry, which is huge. Okay, so down here it explains about Credit Strong. They are a division of Austin Capital Bank and a five-star rated FDIC insured, so your money is safe. All right, you will get it back. So let's go up to pricing. All right, so there's different tiers, three tiers, and once it's load, all right. We've gone over some of this already, but we can just reiterate. All right, payments report to all three major credit bureaus. Pay as little as $8.95 to get started today. You get a free FICO score to track your progress. You build a nest egg with the savings account, and there's no commitment. You can cancel at any time at no cost. All right, so what is the most important to you? Do you want to have an installment loan reporting to your credit report with just a low monthly payment, or do you want to build a savings account within 24 months and have that reporting to your credit report to build? All right, it's to build and save. And lastly, you want to build the largest possible credit line so you can strong arm your credit report to get large personal and large business credit lines when you go in for funding. All right, pretty much like it says right here, you want to supercharge your personal credit for business use. All right, for commercial and business purposes. All right, so you can see the difference right here in this first tier, $15 a month. It's called the Subscribe 1,000. It reports $1,000 installment loan to your credit report. Basically giving up $15 a month. All right. Second tier is Build and Save. All right, $48 a month to report also $1,000 installment loan, but a portion of that goes into your savings account, and the other portion is interest, which goes to the company. All right. And if you want the Magnum, all right, $49.50 a month, it reports a $4,500 installment account on your credit report, and basically having this high limit, strong arms your credit. Right? The higher limits, the better. When you go for funding, banks want to see you can handle higher limits already before they issue, a high limit credit line for themselves. All right. So as you can see, it says you can cancel anytime with no penalty. Now we get down to the more fun part. Right. You got $30 a month for a $2,500 credit installment loan shown on your credit report. And now you have to build and save where $89 a month, a portion of that goes into your savings account and the other portion is going to your credit strong to report your $1,000. All right. And this is a 12 month. This is 12 months and this is up to 120 months of payment history. All right. Just a subscription. So we can report for however long you want it to. All right. And lastly, the Magnum report the $9,000 installment loan on your credit report for $99 a month. All right. It demonstrates repayment on larger credit obligations, for your funding when the banks are looking at your report. You can build up to 120 months of payment history, and it builds a savings account of up to $9,000. You can cancel at any time. All right. Stronger version of the Magnum. And lastly, we have the build and save the 2000, of course, the $2,000 installment credit line on your credit report. All right, for up to 24 months. All right, and lastly is what we recommend all our clients do because our main goal is to get funding. All right, we don't like to play around with the credit. Every line that we actually put in the report, we want it to be very strong, especially if it's going to be a brand new account on your credit report because that does drop your score a little bit having a new account. All right, because it drops your overall A's of your credit. So $198 a month, you get the Magnum, $18,000 reporting on your credit report as an installment loan, which is huge. You know, supercharge your personal credit for business purpose, demonstrate repayment on larger credit obligations. You can build that up for 120 months payment history if you want to, and if you can potentially build a savings of up to 18,000. You can cancel at any time. All right, so I would like to at least have this on your report for 6 months to a year, showing you can repay that $18,000 loan, and that was super charged. Your credit report. There is no other credit builder, loan, or revolving credit account. The starter. This is basically considered a starter trade line. Start a primary trade line that reports this much. The other highest amount would be a 5,000 My Dealers Club or a 5,000 New Coast Direct. But having this 8,000 will severely benefit you. All right. So, guys, have any questions? Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you like or don't like about this Credit Strong account. Let me know if you already have this Credit Strong account, or once you do add this, drop a comment, email. Let me know how it benefited you. Adding this to your credit report. You can go on our website, usexperts.com, if you want to get funding. You can get funded as soon as 5 to 7 business days if your credit is strong. All right, if your personal credit is strong. Also, if you have a business setup that's 6+ months in business, all right, you can get you funded with that as well, so we can double your funding, personal and business. All right, so just go onto the website or drop me an email. My personal email will be down below. Please like and subscribe, so we can continue to drop more free content like this for y'all. And we do have a do-it-yourself personal credit course coming and a do-it-yourself business credit course coming. Um, just to streamline for the people who like to do it on their own. But of course, we've been here in the industry 8+ years, so we can make it easy and streamlined for you because we do know what we're doing and how to maximize your funding. So I'll see you guys on the next video, and thank you for watching.